I'm a cheesemonger at the Bedford cheese shop. So you've just bought yourself some cheese and you're wondering, what now? To start, you're going to use the texture of the cheese to determine the tools and the techniques that you use to cut it. Let's start with a bloomy rind soft cheese. You're going to want to use a knife with a thin blade so that it has less surface area. This way it will not stick to the cheese and you're going to lose less cheese to the sticking of the blade. For these cheeses, start from the center and then cut outwards. If presenting on a platter, make an initial cut to show your guest how they should be cutting their cheese. Some examples of soft cheeses include brie or briotte Savarin, both from France, and bloomy rinded cheese, which means it has a fluffy, white, moldy outside. For semi-firm to firm cheeses, you're going to want to use a chef's knife, and you're going to want to make triangle slices. You're going to do this by first cutting off the rind, and then slowly slicing your way through the cheese. Two examples of semi-firm to firm cheeses would first be Paulette, a washed-rind cheese from Vermont, and then Gruyere, which is a Swiss Alpine cheese. Hard cheeses like an aged cheddar or Gouda may be more challenging to cut as they crumble when you try to slice through them. A method to get around this is chunking. Take your hard piece of cheese, so stick your knife into the front of the cheese and twist it. This technique will give you rustic crumbles, which will make for a more intentional looking presentation on your next cheese board. Now, whether it's a brie, a Gruyere, or a Gouda, you know how to cut your cheese like a real monger. Stay cheesy.